Corsair iCUE Link 3500X White review, the cleanest build I've ever done.
You ever open your case side panel and just sigh? Cables everywhere, RGB looking like a crime scene, fans screaming like they're mad at you. It's not you, it's the case fighting your vibe. I've been there, cursing in the dark at 2 a.m. Drop guilty in the comments if your current case makes you feel like a caveman.
Deadlines looming, GPU cooking itself, and your build looks like spaghetti exploded, heart racing every time you hit render. Imagine opening the glass and feeling proud instead of embarrassed. Calm fans, ice-cold temps, cables literally invisible. That's not a dream. That's what happens when the case finally works with you instead of against you. Say hello to the Corsair iCUE Link 3500X RGB White, the mid-tower that made me retire my cable combs forever. 3 iCUE Link RX120 RGB fans pre-installed, daisy-chained with one single cable. Boom, done. Reverse connector motherboard ready, ASUS BTF MSI Project Zero, so your view stays pornographically clean. Panoramic pillarless glass that actually lets you see the art you built. Up to 10 fans or dual 360mm radiators without choking airflow. True story, my buddy was mid-build for a client. Traditional case, cables everywhere, client walking in the next day. Swapped to the 3500X last minute, finished in 45 minutes, zero visible wires. Client literally said, "This looks like a concept render." The gasp was real. That's the 3500X effect. It turns panic into flex. Keep watching because at the end, I'm dropping the one iCUE trick that makes the RGB look wet. Now the build just breathes. GPU stays under 65 degrees Celsius while your friends are thermal throttling in mesh cages. The white is actual white, not sad cream, and the glass makes every RGB color pop like it's on drugs. Gamer's Nexus level reviewer, airflow is stupidly good for a fishbowl. Side intake actually works. Big white build YouTuber, I've built in every pretty case. The 3500X is the first one where I didn't have to hide anything. Forum builder with 3 3500Xs, my 4090 loves sit load temps now. Customer who upgraded went from embarrassed to showing it off to everyone who walks in. Objection I hear the most, but glass front kills thermals. Wrong. Side intake plus those RX120s move more air than most mesh fronts. Real temps don't lie. Thousands of builders are quietly switching and never going back to ugly cable messes. See why they're obsessed. Watch till the end for the secret iCUE lighting mode that makes people think you water-cooled your RGB. Quick, comment which part of your current build triggers you the most. Cables, temps, or the ugliness.
Join the builders who've already ditched cable chaos and turned their rig into actual art with the Corsair iCUE Link 3500X White. Stock is moving fast again. White always sells out first. If you're tired of hiding your PC under the desk, this is your permission slip to flex. I've got the best link below. Click it, grab yours, and finally build the PC you brag about instead of apologize for. Don't just watch. Go make your friends jealous today. You deserve this glow up.